Hello, good morning. So it's a nice morning today. I'm just walking around looking at my flowers. So still there are a lot of blooms. The tiger lilies are more. So mas madaming bulaklak ngayon. And I'm happy to see that they were able to bloom at hindi nakain ng mga chipmunks. And here, the begonias are still full. Dami pa rin bulaklak. And the roses are rose pala, isang rose. Mas madami na siyang bulaklak ngayon. Tapos mga geranium. There is a bud. There you go. There ulit bud. And my cutting, rose cutting, doing well. And this one still has flowers, pero may bud din siya. And my hen and chicks. Yan. Dami ng anak. The chicks. And the begonias. And then the petunias, I have to deadhead para mas malinis itsura. And the bare root rose, mas madami na siyang leaves, but only on one side. I guess the rest of the branches are dead. Pero hopefully, pwede pa rin. And these are my two bare root roses. Still haven't decided where to plant them. Sabi ni June, I can just plant them anywhere and then just transfer it next time. Para lang matanim na ngayon. And here are our yarrow. So, nag-bloom na the rest of the buds. And the Dusty Miller in front. So, laging nahuhulog tong wood na to. Anyway, there you go. And then, what else? So, the coreopsis that I planted is doing well. My new buds, I have to deadhead. The lavender is doing well also. And then, what else? So, our knockout rose, daming new growth, new leaves, and it is forming buds there. May buds na bago. And then, also the other rose. Lots of new leaves. And then the dahlia is growing. Still waiting for it na magka-buds. And this is the other one. And this is the non-talk daisies. I think they bloom in October or September. Basta late summer. Okay, so walking around. So, it's still morning. It's a bit cold. So, there's grass, dew on the grass. So, this is the other dahlia. Malaki-laki na. And then, marigolds. And then, we have a foxglove na sumulpot sa likod ng Sylvia. So, we wanted a foxglove, but it produces flowers, I think, every other year. And it does not grow after winter. Nag-aano lang siya ng seeds. Nag-spread ng seeds. And then, hopefully, mag-sprout. So, we have one. So, hopefully, next year, it will produce flowers. So, may butas na naman ako dito. And then, the petunias, the sedum. And this is the peach berry eyes. Ibang color niya pag mainit. And this is the other one. And the lamb's ear. Lumalaki siya, kumakapal. and have two. And these are the hibiscus. Dami na niyang buds. So, pag nag-flower yan, madami. There you go. Other one. Here's more. Okay. So, I have to deadhead a lot of plants. So, the eucharis, the green, the purples, and we have another hole there. Ay, puro holes. They say castor oil with detergent can help prevent those the bolts from making holes, new holes when leaving the garden. So we have daylily and tiger lily beside each other. Okay, and this one, the hostas have their blooms. I will cut them pag naubos na yung purple flowers. And the sedum, and I have to clean up these irises, the yellow irises. Okay, and that is a weed. I have to cut that. And this is the pink rose. So I still have to deadhead the other old flowers. And the side garden. Lamb's ear. This lamb's ear is not so doing well. Little lime, hydrangea, and then the yarrow, yellow yarrow. And this one, the yarrow, I was hoping it would be red, but it's white. And this one, hoping it will be red, this one, hopefully. So this is another little lime, hydrangea. This is a small hydrangea. Another white yarrow. And this is Limelight Prime. Limelight Prime hydrangea. And this one is big leaf hydrangea. And the bloom here is so nice, but it's under the bush, so it's partly hidden. And here on the side. So this one is a sedum, and this one is the other limelight prime hydrangea. So now it has no buds. Hopefully next year it will produce buds. And this one is mums. This one is a caramel euchera. And this one is the invincible limetta. So we have a gladiolus here with a bloom. And this one is a new one. So hopefully this is a different color, pink one or red. And the Weigela producing some more flowers. But this time, maybe because it has become cooler. Okay, so this one aster, the blue juniper. So this one is on its third year also. So, but it's slow growing. And then our bleeding heart, lumalaki siya. So, very nice. And then this is our summer crush, I think, or summer bloom hydrangea. And with the caramel euchre at the back. This is the bubblegum drop, silver bubblegum drop euchre, forever red euchre, hyssop or agastaki, and then pillow tuxedo, lavender. I have to deadhead. And another summer crush hydrangea. So it has a bloom there. So nice. And then our hosta, which I planted in last May. And this euchorella. So other eucharas and the alliums getting dried up. My other eucharas, different colors. And then the forget-me-not salvia. And then the spiderwort, barberry. This is a Korean boxwood. And this is a green velvet boxwood, I think. They're the same, both the same on both sides of this green euchera. And a small euchera there, which I salvaged. And we have another gladiolus here. Same color as the ones at the back. So the phlox, they're growing. I have to weed. Remove the weeds. Ang dami ng weeds. And then the petunias growing. I'm not sure if this is a weed or not, but it doesn't look good. So I will take it off. Okay. Here is the other plant box with the petunias. And here's another one. I'm not sure if it's a weed or this salvia. If I take it out, I think it's a weed. Oops! Naputol lang. Oh well. At least it's not sticking out. And this one I have to deadhead. Okay. And here, the coleus. It has blooms. And this one is getting bigger. And here, so many blooms of the hostas. I will soon cut them. At hindi ko maalis ang weeds dun sa gitna. Ang dami ng weeds. Hirapan ako pumunta sa gitna. So, when I cut them, I'll be able to go inside. And this is Sister Rosie. So, wala na siyang masyadong leaves. But, it's growing. May mga shoots. I don't know. Okay. And on this side, Veronica. Pink Veronica. The hibiscus. Na madami siyang buds. And I think meron pa siyang baby doon. There's a small hibiscus transfer na lang kapag medyo malaki. And I think this is another one. Oops. This is the salvia, blue salvia, and a pink veronica again, a coneflower, and this is my dahlia. Daming kagat ng leaves, but I hope it will survive. And then another pink veronica. And this one is newly planted coneflower na bunot ni June. And another dahlia. And this one is the marigold, which I transferred. Malapit kasi siya sa tabi ng hibiscus. And nabubunot siya. And here is the catmint nepeta, which I pruned last time. I think 2 weeks ago. So, meron siyang mga tumutubong something there. And another coneflower na nabunot ni June, kaya tinransplant niya ulit dyan. Okay. And then the oriental lilies. Nandyan pa sila, pero medyo nag-fade na. And this is the other one is so tall. So, konti na lang. So, ayan na. Nahuhulog na sila. And these are moms, which will bloom mga September. And this is the rose, the pink rose that I removed all the leaves. So, medyo maganda naman itong natubong bagong leaves. And this is the hosta that I planted. So, medyo putol-putol na yung mga ibang leaves. Pero iwan ko muna sila. And here is another moms. And then another chrysanthemum. And then the sedum. So, bubulaklak sila mga September, I think. Okay. And this is where the hyacinths were last time. And daffodils, so nilinis ko siya. So, puro yellow sedum na lang at this time. Okay. So, yan lang for now. Hopefully, mag-bloom pa yung iba. Thank you. Okay. Bye-bye.